first. I want to ask you, have you ever encountered a situation where this area, upon a period of time, broke off? Okay, so uh, and then you don't have much of a clue on like what to do with this. Okay, now the thing is, you can save a lot because this one might cost you maybe like in Malaysia maybe like 10-15 ringgit. But the thing is, to rather than you replace or you buy a new set, what you can do is buy something like this, in which you might need this part. Okay, the one with the screw here, you might need this part because this is the one that would save you, because normally at this part you can dismantle it. So once dismantled, you can put it in, or maybe beforehand you might need to wrap with the how should we say, the sealant, which I showed you in the previous video. Then you can put it here. So this one would cost you maybe like 3-4 ringgit, okay, in at Mr. DIY. If you're buying, I'm not sure whether you can have it, or you can purchase it at the normal hardware store, but you can really find it in at Mr. DIY. So once you have completed this, then you can reuse back your old one. So you save with that 4 ringgit, 3 to 4 ringgit, you might save like almost 10 ringgit, because if this one, if I'm not mistaken, at around 13 ringgit. So 13 minus 3 to 4 ringgit is like you have saved another 9 ringgit, okay, rather than buying a new set, which this set can be reused again. Okay, that should be all. This is a DIY for today. Okay, so it's a very simple DIY. Okay, hope it will assist you in future. Okay, bye. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.